Okay, so this is my first video on YouTube. Although working on stuff like Arduino and other prototyping platform is really easy, but I faced a really small problem. The problem is I'm a programmer but not an electrical engineer, so I don't know how to solder things. I faced my first problem when I purchased this 16 by 2 LCD for my Arduino. It is actually a very beautiful module and there was a small problem with it. It just had 16 holes but not even a single pin where I can attach my solderless jumper cables. So what was the solution? I was having two solutions. First, purchase an LCD display with pins already soldered in, but obviously that was not the choice as I cannot do it every time. I cannot purchase every module with some added cost to it because it is soldered. Actually, the bigger problem was if I want to make base circuit, then I had to learn soldering to make my own modules. So here is another actual solution. Learn how to solder. So I learned it from various tutorial and repair shops, and here I am. I'll try to help you learn how to solder header pins into any PCB or any board. So what do you need? First thing you need is a soldering iron. I purchased a basic iron of 65 watt from Amazon. I'll recommend you to go with the pointed one. The one which I'm using is not as pointed, but I'll recommend you purchase it. Go for the one which is as pointed as it should be. And don't spend too much money on that, not more than 500 rupees. Now the second thing which you need is a header pin. Header pins are quite cheap and a single header pin strip has like around 40 pins, and I purchased them from Amazon at a very cheap price for like somewhere around 100 rupees for 400 pins. Now the third thing and probably the cheapest one is the soldering wire. I purchased it just for rupees 60 and I'll recommend you to buy the one without flux core. I repeat, without flux core. It is very important. I had some problems with the flux core soldering wire as it is very sticky. So I switched to the basic soldering wire and it's very easy to use. So now the key to soldering header pin is that you need to learn how to hold soldering wire, soldering iron and the header pins. That's it. Now I'll show you here. This is not hot right now so I can touch this as I have already soldered the pins to this LCD, but closely look here. This is how you need to hold these three things. See, header pins is coming from the bottom. The hot soldering iron is on the left or the right, but it should directly touch the solder pin. And then soldering wire is in front of it and I'll melt it when I'll be needing it. Now see it in action. It is actually very simple once you learn how to do this. I hope this video helped you in learning soldering header pins to any PCB. Subscribe to this channel. I'll be coming up with some really awesome tutorials very soon. Thanks for watching.